Hello guys, I'm Micky and I trust you guys actually enjoyed your Christmas. Happy New Year. Well, I want to talk about the effectiveness of whitening soap powder. Most people that call me on my cell phone to order for bleaching soap powder really do not know the type of bleaching powders we have and which amongst the two is more effective. Later they get to complain about the soap not giving them the whiteness they want. There's something I want you, my subscribers, to know. Soap alone cannot give you the whiteness you deserve. It goes with moisturizer and scrub, and you must also learn how to bathe morning and night. Soap works better at night, or cream, better still, works better at night. Well, back to the bleaching powder. We have gold whitening soap powder and blue whitening soap powder. I know most of you might actually be wondering why it's called gold whitening soap powder. It's not gold in color, it's whitish in color, but it's just called gold whitening soap powder. And we have blue whitening soap powder. But most people that order for blue whitening soap powder do not even know if it's more effective than gold whitening soap powder. Because most times they get to order for, they just call to order for bleaching soap powder and they're like, which one is actually more effective? You shouldn't be asking which of the soap is more effective. If you're into skincare regimen, you should know which of the soap is actually more effective. Well, I'm going to tell you the truth. Blue whitening soap powder is actually more effective. It can be used to make a whitening herbal black soap, whitening melt and pour soap, lightening melt and pour soap, but don't use it on shower gel. It can be used on solid soap actually made from the scratch. And it's advisable to use 3 to 4 bar soap. So the measurement needed is 2 tablespoons. But you should also know there are other ingredients needed to make your whitening herbal black soap, whitening melt and pour soap, lightening melt and pour soap with the aid of your bleaching soap powder. With the right measurements actually. And I would like to thank my subscribers. Yes, before I forget, my ebook is out. You can actually order for my ebook. You get the ingredients you need in my ebook. And I'll display the link on my description so you guys get to order for my ebook. Thanks, guys.